Okay, so let's start SPRO. Customizing, and since we were in material ledger settings, which is very important, very critical, you go to global settings, ledgers, parallel valuation, multiple valuation, and basic settings, maintain currency and valuation profile. So why do we do this? I'll tell you that later in a notepad file. Just a second. Okay. Currency valuation profile. Position. Link not found. What was our company code? To remember?
163, or you can also use 164. Same thing.
BT. Not BT.
BT 160. Sorry.
BT?
63. Sorry.
BT 63.
BT 63.
BT. No, it is not there. Okay. New entries. BT 63. CN valuation profile BT 63. Enter details, company code, currency, legal valuation. Okay. Valuation. Types in SAP. Okay. This is done. Save. BT 63. Double click. Blink Industries. Okay. This is done. Assign currency and valuation profile to controlling area. BT 63. Okay, currency and valuation profile will be BT 63. Okay, and already the currency is group currency, which is already assigned to controlling area. Save. Create version for valuation methods, valuations. Versions. Okay. Plan actual version. Double click. Plan actual version setting for each fiscal year. Okay. Integrated planning. New entries. But this is LAP 9. We don't want LAP 9. Okay. AKS, BT63, enter, SPRO, customization, financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, parallel valuation, multiple valuation, basic settings, versions for valuation methods. Server is quite slow. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Zero controlling area settings. Zero settings for each fiscal year. Integrated planning, new entries. Cancel. Okay. We have already have 2024. Enter. Save. Let's save it. Come on. Server is quite slow, but anyways. Okay, LP01, continue. Okay, schedule, execute. This basically function is, I'll tell you what is version and why we actually need this background processing. Okay, this is done. Next step, SPRO, customization. Financial accounting. Global setting. Ledgers. Ledger. Not ledger, sorry. Parallel valuation. Multiple valuation. Basic setting, define ledger for CO version. 63. Okay, we don't have it. BT63 version 0, 0L. And what is this? Ledger version for CO. Save. Okay. Next is check material ledger settings. Assign currency types and define material ledger types. Okay. BT63. Okay, new entries. BT63 ML type BT63. Now, what is the material ledger? That also I should tell you. Material ledger. Okay. BT63 select company code currency. Okay. Save. Okay, assign material types to valuation area. We've already assigned, we've already made a valuation area, right? What is a valuation area? It's the plant. BT63. Okay, we have not assigned anything. BT63 and BT material ledger type is BT63. Okay. So valuation areas plant company code is also aligned and material ledger type is also aligned. Okay, and it's active. Save. Okay, activate valuation areas. Activate valuation areas is okay. Valuation area. What is valuation area? That's what that valuation areas. Activate material ledger. Position. BB63. Active price determination is transaction based. Okay, this is done. Now, let me just explain what this is. Currency and valuation profile. Company can be in UAE. Plant can be in, let's say, Pakistan or India. Okay. And mother company can be in US. Okay. So what happens is that company UAE procures material purchased, okay, in January 2024. Okay. And it's also paid in AED. But material is shipped different country where material costing will be done in INR or PKR. Okay. And mother company, the main company, wants to see material costing in USD. So during the year, material will be used, consumed, produced, scrapped, okay, and so on. So for this, how to maintain, and then again, material is purchased in Jan, it is shipped in February, and production starts in March, for example, 2024, then it is finished in, let's say, May. By that time, there will be currency fluctuations. Okay, so these currency fluctuations have to be captured. Okay, so that's why we have this material ledger, currency and valuation profile. So valuation types in SAP are only three. And what are those? Legal, group, profit center. Okay, legal is for very in easy words is for balance sheet and P&L accounts. Group is for group level on a group level, or let's say group of companies level. Okay. Profit center is level valuation is for CO or costing for profit center accounting level. Speaking of versions, what are versions? There are multiple versions: 0, 1, 2, 900, 909, 99. Okay. Now, 0 by default is actually made to capture plan, actual, WIP. What is WIP? Work in process and variance. Variance of plan versus actual. Okay. So this version, what is this version? Just like a file. Okay. It records what? Planned production activity, planned overheads, planned material consumption, planned labor hours, planned material scrapping. Okay. So this is all planned. So this is one version that actually captures planned. And then you also have uh, actuals also. Actuals versus planned production activity and so on. Actual versus planned. Actual versus planned and so on. Okay. And then there will be difference between actual and planned. That difference is called variance. Variance can be of various types. Okay. Okay. So, and WIP is work in process. Work in process means unfinished material processing and production. That is work in process, which happens and is calculated at month end. Version 1, this can be purely for planned activities, prices. Okay. While 2 can be for only actual activities and prices. While 900, 9, 909, 999 can be for various purposes. For example, when you are planning production activity, you will actually forecast best case scenario and numbers and quantities. Okay. 909 can be normal case scenario. And this can be worst case. So you actually plan activities. Okay. You plan prices, you plan the production activity and quantity of material, right? So this is basically for costing purposes. So ledger version for CO. Now CO basically, as I said, is for profit center accounting, costing. Okay. So ledger versions for CO, since CO doesn't accept direct entries. Okay. So it has to borrow entries, copy transactions from any version. That could be 1 or 2 or 900, 909, 919. Okay. So I've already told you currency and valuation profile. Okay. So material ledger actually keeps the record of the material that is being consumed, produced, shipped, and so on. And of course, date wise. it is stored, and date-wise with foreign currency valuation, with foreign currency exchange rates and translation. Valuation area, in simple word, is plant, where you actually produce material and store material. So that is your valuation area. That's it. Okay. So this is a little bit about material ledger. Valuation clearing, we'll do this later. Activation, set up transfer price and production system. Multiple valuation approaches. Check, execute, activation. Controlling area BT63, and we will check for activation and execute. Version. We've already done this steps. Okay. We've already done this, and status is active. Okay. So we will activate it. Execute. Activate. Okay. Activation carried out. And controlling area set successfully. Easy, right? So this is how you activate it.
हेलो।
जी आराम।
मुझे लगता है आपका नेट ड्रॉप हो गया था।
हाँ, नेट ड्रॉप हो गया था।
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताया कि इसका प्रोसेस।
Yes. Okay, now the material is basically, the material is configured. Let's proceed to create uh, a material. Okay. We have activated material ledger, we have activated currency valuation profile, and that is important because material actually governs the material movement, material consumption, material production. Okay. But first we need a material. Okay. Material, create MM01. Industry sector, let's take any, like mechanical engineering. Material type will be raw material. Okay. Will be raw material. Raw material. Select views. Continue. Basic data. Sales, general plant data. Then we have purchasing. General plant data. For now, this is okay. Good. Fair enough. Plant value BT63. Storage location. Come on. Come on. Page down, page up, BT. We don't have any storage. Okay, cancel. Company code not set up for materials management. Okay, help. How is that? Everything is set up, maybe because controlling area is also set up. Okay. You want to create accounting data, you want to create batch or so we want to display stock. Okay. If you want to come in the setup for material, you have specific plan that is assigned to a account which can have knowledge set up for. How is that possible? Okay, system response, set up company code and customizing. Time period, the current period must therefore be known. Okay, current period. Okay, got it. This is the error, and this error SPRO. It's very slow, very slow. I don't know what to do with this. But anyways, I think I'll stop here.